makes it a fun time. An actual camp. Now you can go there for a multiple day group instruction. You can hook up with Mike for personalized one-on-one instruction, but certainly if you're looking to really make probably one of the best investments in yourself, it's not in hop-up parts, it's not in new tires and new chain wheels and custom exhausts. It's in the riding that that's where it all starts. I mean, you take a look at a guy like Carmichael. It did not matter what brand he rode. The riders, so in yourself. And go on over to see Mike Leavitt and about professional motocross instruction. It's going to make you into a better rider as all others around them. Off the line, you're going to be quicker in the corners. This guy's going to end up being a whole lot healthier because he'll get you straight on the right proper diet and work with you